Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you some small updates that I made to my downstairs guest bathroom. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. Here's what my downstairs bathroom looked like. As you can see, I've already taken down the clock and the wall mirror. I consider this bathroom very rustic glam. Although I have dark floors and stone wallpaper, I also display tons of sparkly decor on the walls and on this metal shelf. I added the peel and stick vinyl flooring, wallpaper, and I painted the cabinet black about 4 years ago. Here's a photo of what the cabinet and floor, as well as the original wall color looked like when my husband and I purchased our home about 7 years ago. I've decided to give this bathroom a new modern look, so my first step was to remove this peel and stick wallpaper. The great thing about peel and stick wallpaper is that it will stay in place over time, but it's easily removable and will not damage your walls or leave any sticky residue. Instead of the wallpaper, I'm painting my walls, including the ceiling, with this Sherwin number 7517. This color used to be called China Doll. It's now called River's Edge. Next, I've decided to change our Delta sink faucet. As you can see, there are small signs of wear, so I've decided to go with something a bit different. I purchased this gold sink faucet from Home Depot for under $40. I'm replacing the black towel ring with this inexpensive gold version that I picked up from Amazon. Small changes like these are super easy to make. I simply unscrew the existing bracket and I use those same holes to add the new bracket and the new towel ring. I replaced my standard white wall plates with these black plates during the last remodel, and now it's time for another upgrade. Instead of replacing my black and silver porcelain soap and lotion dispensers, I've decided to instead replace the pumps with these inexpensive gold pumps that I picked up on Amazon. These pumps were about $20 for 4 of them, and I'm using 2 of them for this bathroom. Instead of purchasing anything new, I decided to add pieces that I already had at home, including this mosaic floor vase that I purchased from Ross a couple of years ago. I also added wall art that I pulled out of my decor closet. I thought these pieces gave this bathroom a more modern feel. In total, I spent just over $100 to give this bathroom a completely different look. The wall color change alone makes this bathroom look a lot bigger and more up to date. And there's nothing more satisfying than decorating a space with decor pieces that you already own. Here's a final look at the before. And here's the after. hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.